Once we're on the home page of Canva, just simply click on create a design, and now just simply choose any random format over here if you're just simply looking to remove the background. So let's say for example the 1920 by 1080 presentation over here. Click on that option. Now firstly I'm just simply going to remove a background of a simple image. So this is the image as you can see. Now in order to remove the background of this image, it's very easy. All you have to do is click on the image, then an option will pop up right over here which will be edit photo. Click on that option. Now right over here you will have the option of BG remove, also known as background remove. Click on that option. Now give it a few seconds, and as you can see right over here, without doing any modifications, the background was removed perfectly. And you don't need to do any modifications. But in some complicated images, if there are still traces of the background left on your main image, click on this filter option, and then you can use these two tools over here, which is erase and restore, to remove or restore objects in your particular image. Now let's remove a background from a bit more complicated image, and this time I'm going to remove the background of this image over here. So again, the process will be the same. Just simply select the photo, click on edit photo, then click on BG remove, and again automatically it will remove the background perfectly. So wait for a few seconds, and as you can see the background is gone. Now in both of the photos the background were much blurry and much professional. Now let's take any random photo. So as you can see over here, this photo that I'm going to show you is not that professional and it is just a simple image. And now I'm going to show you how it will look after the background is removed on this image over here. So the process will be again same, edit photo, BG remove. Now wait for a few seconds. So as you can see right over here, even in this image where the background was very clear and not blurred, the AI removed the background perfectly. So that's how you remove background in Canva. Now, in order to remove background, you will need a premium subscription. So if you want the subscription, you can just simply go ahead and check the link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.